Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I wanted to say thank you for reaching out to me on Facebook, and I wanted to take the time to go ahead and just get this sent over to you today. I just want to make this quick video giving you some tips and tricks on how to boost your online presence. And at the end of this video, if you could possibly give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything that you see on your front page here, any wording that you use, any photos that you use, how those photos are saved, and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. Now, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page. Within that content, you want to add the keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. That way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that's a huge help. So I did put your website into this tool that we use here. This is called Ahrefs, and this helps me see the analytics of your website. So the first thing that you see here is going to be the trust and the strength in Google. Your website definitely has a lot of trust, but we definitely need to work on that strength. Now, it is on a scale out of 100, and the idea is to keep them as even as possible. Now, the next thing is keywords. There are no keywords that you are ranking for at this time. And the other thing is backlinks. You have 6 backlinks from one referring domain. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, the thing with these, not all of them are built the same. These links are not created equal. Some of the links are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative, that will bring power to your website. And I'll be able to show you in comparison here to another website in just a moment. Now, the next thing is going to be this map pack right here on Google. So this is the bread and butter of businesses. So this is super imperative to come up in, and what that's going to do is give you more traffic. 30 to 40% of traffic here goes right to your website, or they give you a call straight from the map pack. Now there's ways about increasing your rankings to make sure that you have a ton of reviews, making sure that you have everything filled out on your Google business profile. They give you an About Us section on the Google business profile. It says 750 words. All 750 words should be utilized, completely filled out, and then I also would recommend having keywords placed into that profile as well. Now, you also want to be very responsive with your reviews and any messages that you get. Now, make sure you're posting weekly branded posts, geolocated photos. All of that's going to help with your relevance. Now, another thing is called citations. So this is your business name, address, and phone number in things like Yellow Pages and Yelp. Now, by going out and giving your information to as many people as possible, that's going to increase your relevance, and that helps with your website as well. Now, I did pull up somebody in the area that has similar services to you. And here you're able to see their website. They don't have a lot of content on the front page, but going over here, looking at what they've got going on, they have 145 backlinks from 33 domains and 171 keywords, and that's bringing about 239 people to their website. So there is quite a difference with the analytics there on what's going on. Now, the idea is we're able to check out the type of backlinks they have and see which ones are good, strong backlinks. And you want to be able to utilize the backlinks that they already have, but you also then want to get more backlinks and bring more power to your website. Then we're able to go through all these keywords here and pick out what we call the buyer intent keywords. So things like body sculpting Los Angeles body sculpting. These are what people are searching for in that area. We're able to see the volume and where people are ranking and how much traffic that's going to bring to a website. So with that, we're able to search through your competitors and be able to utilize those keywords into your website as well and start getting you more people and more traffic. So I want to say thank you for letting me take the time to make you this video today. I really appreciate it. I am going to send this over with my phone number and my email address as well. You already have my Facebook information, but if you ever have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can call, text, email, Facebook message me, whatever works best for you. And like I said, if you could possibly give feedback and let me know if this video was helpful, I would also appreciate that. Thank you so much and have a great day.